Independent, y'all walk out now. Baby girl. Good morning, guys. You don't know you got Melica Skylife in the building. You order them. Get the clear lighting. That lighting though. So guys, this morning, what I'm gonna do, I have my pen. I have my book here. For this morning, I'm gonna write down all the things I need to aid me in my weight loss. Now, a lot of times you start, for me, your bag is making a lot of noise. A lot of times you start your weight loss and you don't have your tools in anything that you're doing. You have to have your tools. So me now cook for God work. Me I buy food off the road. Food not good for girl. So I have to put together the things that I need to bring to work, to eat on time and to eat properly. That's why most time I eat bad, because when I work I'm on the road, I buy food, nothing did it, what I like, so I buy a Burger King and make something there. I get influenced by KFC and then make something there. So I have to put together a list of all the things that I need to get to really start eating properly, because 80% of the weight that you will ever lose, it comes from your diet. 20% of exercise. So if you can spend the time to get a diet right, it will always be better for you. Always. Guys, me I brush out my teeth. Me I go cut it off. Cut off some cream in the pan, you see? Visit the barber. Make me start it out. I decided to cut my hair off because hair went damage, man. I was pretty scared. Okay, I don't know, my head big and thing. I was pretty scared to cut my hair off because I didn't know what I would look like. I'm gonna think it looked that bad. Yeah, so yeah, but I go and brush in the morning now. Put some oil in it. But one thing with my hair, I have like real African hair. Really strong, rough African hair. And I got this all natural coconut oil for my hair, and I'm gonna get to my line, my Skylife hair care line. Don't play with my girl. Skylife hair care. What I'm gonna start off with is the all natural coconut oil. Coconut oil are very good. All natural, no additives, no preservatives. It smells like jobs. If I eat jobs, yeah, that's what it smells like. So what I do, I go oil up in that tea now, and just get a brush. I like brush my hair, because when you brush your hair it grows. You know that, right? Also, the castor oil coming soon, and bathing. I don't really have them out selling it. I just use them for my own personal use, but 1 and 3 questions about them. And you know why I like it? Because it's all naturally good for your hair. Whereas I come go natural no more and just get me hair game right. I'm gonna know that stuff there help grow your hair. I'll get when I afro pick them. And also, I don't know if something I'm gonna use a curl up on the ear and spun something. I don't know my name. If you don't know my name, comment below. I just woke up. So if you don't know that name, just comment below. So go and brush out the natty. I'm thinking I'm gonna color it, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna put no color in there and then it go damage and sitting. So this is a guy barber today. Let them style it. Cut off some off the top. And yeah, just keeping it. I'm not gonna like coconut oil smell. The coconut, it smells. Mommy, you smell the coconut oil? It smells nice though. I'm gonna get the castor oil. It smells so good. Tell the benefits of coconut oil. It's good for growth. It's good for strengthening. It's good for sheen. yeah, that one out of my head. So coconut oil is really a good essential oil for your hair, and although not only your hair, it's good for your skin. Some of my friends them use it. They use it as mouthwash. Wash out their mouth, make your mouth fresh, breath clean and sitting. But true, Ocean use it for your breath. See for mouthwash. Yes. So I have a lot of benefits. So I am going to make the list and maybe run through the list what I'm gonna get. Some big things.